Now let's see how we can make a pie chart. Now pie chart is a very popular chart. We know that it is used in data visualization tasks. So how we can plot a pie chart using the Matplotlib library? Let's first state a pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. Okay. Let's now see how we can make a pie chart. So let's consider that x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our data. Now we'll create the fig, comma x. Here will be lots of plots. Then x dot prime x radius equals to 3, center equals to, let's set 4,4. Okay, you can change it according to your size. So you can change the radius also, you can change the center, so that's according to you. And also here we need to keep the frame true. Okay. Now x dot set. Let's set the x lim, y lim, and x t, etc. Let's just run this one. Let's see how it happens. See, this will be the huge size. Now we of course don't want this huge size, so for that we need to provide the x limit, y limit, and all the ticks. Okay, so let's just put that x set x lim equals to 0,8, y lim equals to 0,8, then x ticks equals to np dot arrange. Okay, so it will be arrange and that is 1,8. And here we can make y ticks. So y ticks equals to np dot arrange 1,8. Okay. Now we'll give the plt dot show. We'll export it. See, this is our whole pie chart. So you can see that it is divided according to this 1, 2, 3, and 4 data.